How many times do you think they actually listen to that? They never do that. They always leave the packages down below, and then we lose packages, and that's not what we're going to talk about today. We're on our way to Majestic WJ, the watch shop. Had to fix a cuff for this guy that I made for him, and you're going to meet Mike and Vartan. I talked about doing an interview with them yesterday, and I didn't plan it for today. We'll see how it goes. It's right over here, a couple blocks. We're having historic high winds for this area in Los Angeles right now. It's pretty crazy. I had work to do outside, which I wasn't about to do in these winds today. Pretty nuts. Anyhow, I walk over to this place, and it's right over here on Larchmont Boulevard. We're just walking down to Clinton, and I wanted to kind of walk you guys up to the building and inside because they changed their location. Used to be you walked in, you made a left, and they were the last door. And now they're up on the 3rd floor. So for those of you who are looking to get to Majestic Watch and Jewelry, I'm going to show you where that is right now. This is the back of the building. I'm just showing you this because normally I'll walk in here and go in the back door to get up, but I'm going to take you around the front because most of you, that's how you're going to come. Right across the street is Poland. That's the credit union I use. Right here on the corner of Clinton and Larchmont. .606 Larchmont Boulevard. He used to be right down there down the hall. So we are going to the 3rd floor. So you get out and you make a left, and it's going to be the last door down here on the right.
How are you, Mr. Mike?
I told you I was going to do this.
How's everything?
I'm good. We'll say hi to Mike here, and we'll see if he let me do this. Well, you saw Mike briefly there, and some customers came in, and I forgot something at my apartment. I'm going to go grab that now, and I'm going to come back, and I'll walk in this back door here, because you guys might want to walk in the back door when you come. I'm Greek, you know. We're just used to the back door, I guess. All the Greeks are saying, don't make that joke, that's not funny. Here we are again. The sidewalk is so messed up. I'm looking at the camera. I'm practically falling over. So there's a back door right here. There's another one over there. And this is good. It's good that you guys see this because now you know that you can get in here this way. There's your front door. It's like deja vu.
Hello. How are you?
I'm back!
Welcome back.
Oh, see, he's just being nice to me. Usually they're like, what do you want?
No.
I'm going to go back in there and do like an interview with those guys. They're up for it. Today just wasn't the day. It was great, though. I love hanging out with them. We have a good, you know, we get along. We laugh. Oh, man. I need goggles with this wind here. It's just blowing dirt into my eyeballs. There's major fires going on down at the coast, and you could see it through their window, the smoke. It's pretty crazy here in LA. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just now you know where Majestic WJ is, and you guys can go there yourselves now. I'll put the address and everything in the description, and you can look them up online. Have a good day. Be kind to one another. I'll catch you in the next one.